What's up, everybody? Hold up. Do y'all see how gorgeous he is, man? Shout out to Another Level paint specialist, man. They killed it. Like I said in the last video, today we are working on the front knuckles. We're gonna remove the calipers, we're gonna remove the rotors, we're gonna remove the dust shields, we're gonna remove all that nasty oil and gunk from them when we spray it down with some degreaser, pressure wash it, or maybe just hose it off. This depends. But then after that, we're gonna head over to powder coated, drop off the parts so they can do their thing. So y'all stay tuned. Basic. Oh, this rotor's actually off. Dang, that's cool. So we was riding a little dangerous, I guess, because we ain't even had the rotor locks screws on here. So that means that gives me a lot more of an easier job. We ain't even have the rotor locks screws on here, so that means that gives me a lot more easier of a job for this side. But for that side over there, I gotta actually get the screw so I can unlock those rotors, take those off, take off the dust shields, and then from there we're gonna just take it to where it can get powder coated. They'll handle the rest like they said. But this rotor's off, that's pretty cool. So yeah, this right here, take off the hub, the bearing. We have to take off this, I don't know if you can see it, we gotta take off this little, I forgot what these are called, these little joints right here, because this one's actually worn to crack. Move the screws, degrease it, take off the shield, send it on over, sand it. So I have the tool for this, but I can't find the actual headpiece, so I'm gonna do it the getaway and try to make this work. But it's probably not gonna work. We'll figure this out. Got this one on. This one works, so that was pretty cool. Did it the getaway. This one, I don't know, this one's a little rusted. Oh, got that one out. So it actually did work. Normally I use a tool, but I guess it worked for these. So now, take off this rotor. Put this bad boy over here. Both front rotors are off. Now we're good to go. So we just took off that rotor. So now we're about to get some degreaser, spray this down with some degreaser, let it sit, and then from there we're gonna clean it up as much as we can So that way we can have it all freshened up, so when we take it to powder coated in Kissimmee, they can knock out the powder coating and all that stuff. For the hubs, I'm gonna do my best to take these off at my boy's shop. If I can't, I'm gonna have powder coated take it off, take off the dust shields, and then we call it a day. But yeah, let's go clean these up. So we basically did our best to degunk these knuckles. I don't have a press to take off the hubs, so the brake shields are actually behind the hub, and behind that hub is an actual screw that I can't get to due to the hub being on. So right now we just did our best to actually degunk everything, get it all cleaned up, so when we take it to powder coated, they can actually remove the hub. Hopefully, you know, they got a hub press. If not, I'll take it to my boy's shop. But if they can do it, that'll be even better because it's just a one-stop shop. But drop it off to them. They'll remove everything. They'll take off the rest of the gunk that I couldn't take off. They'll sandblast it, powder coat it, and then from there they're gonna hit me up and let me know, hey, come pick up your stuff because your parts is ready. So stay tuned, because once the parts are all done, we'll bring them right back and we'll start applying them to the car. We'll put the subframe on. We'll put the low control arms on. We'll put you know, the knuckles back together. We'll put the rotors back on, the calipers back on, the hubs back on, and stuff like that. I said that in the wrong order, but you know what I mean. And then from there, we'll have the suspension back on, and we can actually sit the car on the ground. So y'all stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned.